Let's have a deep look at what swims our oceans. Welcome to our underwater adventure. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of sea creatures. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the ocean holds a diversity of life that tops even the richest rainforests. Join us as we journey into the blue and encounter creatures that astound with their beauty, their adaptations, and their sheer will to survive in a world very different from our own. Our planet, often called the blue planet, is dominated by water. Beneath the surface there is a world more fascinating than what we see. It's a realm of mystery and wonder. From sunlit waters to deep trenches, life finds a way to thrive in every corner. We're going to examine just a few of what lay below the sea, some being masters of camouflage, others brightly colored, some gentle giants, others being fierce predators. All play a vital role in the web of life, making up the ecosystem in the ocean. Let us begin our journey into this extraordinary underwater world. As we journey into the sea, we first encounter the largest animal on our planet, the blue whale. This creature is longer than 3 school buses, weighing more than 20 African elephants. That's the scale of the blue whale, a truly awe-inspiring animal. Despite their immense size, these gentle giants are filter feeders. They swim through the water with their mouths open wide, taking in enormous gulps of water and filtering out tiny shrimp-like creatures called krill. A single blue whale can consume up to 40 million krill in a day. Sadly, these magnificent creatures were hunted to near extinction in the 20th century. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly recovering, but they still face threats from habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Seeing a blue whale in the wild is a truly humbling experience. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting our oceans and the creatures that call them home. Our next encounter is with creatures known for their intelligence and playful nature, dolphins. These sleek, streamlined mammals are a joy to behold, leaping from the waves and riding the bow waves of boats. Dolphins are highly social animals, living in pods that can number in the dozens or even hundreds. They communicate with each other using a complex system of whistles, clicks, and body language. These intelligent creatures have even been known to cooperate with humans. In some parts of the world, dolphins work with fishermen, herding fish into their nets. But dolphins, like many marine creatures, face threats from human activities. Pollution, habitat degradation, and accidental entanglement in fishing gear are all serious concerns. Protecting these intelligent and charismatic creatures is vital for the health of our oceans. By understanding and mitigating these threats, we can help ensure that dolphins continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Chapter 4. The Giant Squid, a Creature of the Deep. Now we descend into the twilight zone, a world of perpetual darkness where sunlight fades and pressure increases. It's here in this mysterious realm that we encounter the giant squid, a creature shrouded in legend and lore. For centuries, sailors told tales of monstrous krakens, capable of dragging ships and their crews to watery graves. While these stories were often exaggerated, they were rooted in reality. Giant squid, with their enormous eyes, massive bodies, and long, powerful tentacles, do exist in the depths. These elusive creatures are rarely observed in their natural habitat. Much of what we know about them comes from studying carcasses that have washed ashore. What we do know is that they are fierce predators, using their sharp beaks and toothed suckers to subdue their prey. The giant squid remains one of the ocean's greatest mysteries. As we continue to explore the deep sea, perhaps we will unlock more secrets about these enigmatic creatures and the world they inhabit. Chapter 5. The Clownfish, Finding Nemo in a Sea of Anemones. Returning to the sunlit waters of coral reefs, we encounter a fish as famous on the silver screen as it is in the ocean, the clownfish. Made famous by the film Finding Nemo, these brightly colored fish are a favorite of divers and snorkelers. Clownfish share a unique and vital relationship with sea anemones. These seemingly delicate creatures are actually armed with stinging tentacles that deter predators, but clownfish have evolved a special mucus coating that makes them immune to the anemone's sting. This allows the clownfish to live within the anemone's protective embrace, safe from predators. In return, the clownfish helps to clean the anemone and even brings it food. This mutually beneficial relationship is a perfect example of symbiosis in the animal kingdom. Sadly, coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. Protecting these vibrant ecosystems is crucial not only for the survival of clownfish, but for countless other species that rely on coral reefs for their survival. Chapter 6. The Great White Shark, a perfect predator. Our journey now takes us into the realm of a creature that needs little introduction, the great white shark. With its powerful body, rows of razor-sharp teeth, and an intimidating reputation, the great white is the apex predator of the ocean. But despite its fearsome image, the great white shark is a creature worthy of our respect and protection. These sharks play a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. As apex predators, they help to regulate populations of other species, ensuring the health of the entire food web. Sadly, great white shark populations have declined dramatically in recent decades due to overfishing, habitat loss, and bycatch in fisheries. It's crucial that we overcome our fear of these magnificent creatures and work to conserve them. Understanding and appreciating the great white's role in the ocean is the first step toward ensuring its survival. Our next encounter is with creatures that have been swimming the oceans for over 100 million years, sea turtles. These ancient mariners are a symbol of resilience and endurance, undertaking incredible migrations across entire ocean basins. Sea turtles play a vital role in marine ecosystems. Some species graze on seagrass, helping to maintain healthy seagrass beds, which are important nurseries for many fish and invertebrates. Others feed on jellyfish, helping to control their populations. Sadly, all 7 species of sea turtles are facing threats from human activities. They're often accidentally caught in fishing gear, and their nesting beaches are being lost to development and rising sea levels. Plastic pollution is another serious threat, with sea turtles often mistaking plastic bags for jellyfish, which can be fatal. Protecting sea turtles requires a global effort. By reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and protecting nesting beaches, we can help ensure that these ancient mariners continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. We now venture into the realm of a creature as intelligent as it is elusive, the octopus. These masters of disguise are capable of changing color and texture to blend seamlessly with their surroundings, but the octopus's camouflage is just one of its many remarkable adaptations. These cephalopods are incredibly intelligent, able to solve complex problems and even use tools. They have been known to open jars, navigate mazes, and even recognize individual humans. Their 8 arms are lined with hundreds of suckers, each of which is covered in taste receptors. This allows the octopus to taste its surroundings and locate prey with incredible precision. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, octopus populations face threats from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change. By understanding and mitigating these threats, we can help ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in our oceans. Our next encounter is with creatures that challenge our traditional notions of gender roles, seahorses. These delicate, intricately patterned fish are unique in the animal kingdom, in that it is the male seahorse that carries the eggs and gives birth. Seahorses are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, often clinging to seagrass or coral with their prehensile tails. They are masters of camouflage, changing color to blend in with their surroundings. Despite their small size, seahorses are voracious predators, using their long snouts to suck up tiny crustaceans and plankton. Their eyes move independently, allowing them to scan for prey and predators simultaneously. Sadly, seahorse populations are declining due to habitat loss, pollution, and the traditional medicine trade. Protecting these unique and fascinating creatures requires a concerted effort to address these threats and ensure their survival for future generations. Our final stop on this underwater journey takes us to one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth: coral reefs. Often called the rainforests of the sea, coral reefs are home to an astonishing array of life. Coral reefs are built by tiny animals called coral polyps. These polyps secrete a hard calcium carbonate skeleton that forms the structure of the reef. Over time, these skeletons grow and accumulate, creating the complex and beautiful structures we associate with coral reefs. Coral reefs provide food and shelter for a quarter of all marine species, including fish, invertebrates, reptiles, and mammals. They also protect coastlines from erosion and storm damage and provide economic benefits through tourism and fisheries. Sadly, coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats from climate change, pollution, and destructive fishing practices. Rising ocean temperatures can cause coral bleaching, a phenomenon that can lead to coral death. Pollution from agricultural runoff and coastal development can damage coral health, and destructive fishing practices such as dynamite fishing can destroy entire reefs. Protecting coral reefs requires a global effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve water quality, and promote sustainable fishing practices. By taking action to address these threats, we can help ensure that these vibrant ecosystems continue to thrive for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this underwater journey. We've only scratched the surface of the incredible diversity and wonder that lies beneath the waves. From the largest whales to the smallest seahorses, the ocean is teeming with life that inspires and astounds us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos. And let's all do our part to protect our oceans and the creatures that call them home.